Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and a microfiber cloth. Start by powering down your Lenovo Legion CET and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry the back panel off using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any clips while doing this. With the back panel removed, locate the CPU and GPU, CPU. These components are typically covered by a heatsink. You will need to unscrew the heatsink to access the thermal paste. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Once the heatsink is removed, you will see the old thermal paste on both the CPU and GPU in GPU. Using the microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol, carefully clean off the old thermal paste. It's important to ensure that both surfaces are completely clean before applying the new paste. This step is crucial for optimal thermal conductivity. Now, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. A small psi amount in the center of the CPU and GPU is sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. And our pickup and delivery at your home service can make this process hassle-free. After applying the thermal paste, carefully reattach the heatsink, ensuring that all screws are tightened securely. This will help maintain proper contact between the heatsink and the CPU-GPU, which is essential for effective heat dissipation. Once the heatsink is back in place, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and screw it in securely. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion CET and monitor the temperatures using software tools. This will help you confirm that the thermal paste replacement has been successful. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any point, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect without any hidden costs. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service to keep your laptop running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.